Welcome. In this video, I'm going to be reviewing the Banker's Box 701, which is the 24-inch version of this. So this is the regular size, and this has 15 inches of depth. So you can fit 15 inches from here to here of files. Whereas in this box, it's 24 inches, and I'm just showing you the unfolded version, so you see what you get in the mail. And then it has this easy fold where you just pull the inside like that, you bring that out, and then you fold that down, then you fold these in. These need to be pushed in like that. And it doesn't matter what order you do them in. You have to do the sides as well, and they all kind of lock in there. So, and these also lock in. So then you have the cover, and the cover comes with this piece that you have to remove. So you just get your fingernails right in the crease there, and then you pull, and it'll come off clean. And then do that. These are perforated right here, so get your fingers in there. These go in those holes. And, you fold them in. And actually, I just realized that's torn, so that's not normal. This side is looking good. Sometimes you will get little stuff like this where a corner is bent. Sometimes in the mail it'll come like that. So you can just tape it or return it. But I just wanted to basically do a size comparison so you have a sense of the differences. They're fairly similar, but they're not identical. So this, they've got that design of the medium duty, but it actually has some additional reinforcement. So these edge things don't exist in here, and you need this extra support because it's going to be significantly more heavy. It's not quite twice as large, but it's like about 2/3 larger. So what I use these for is usually not files, because if one of these is full, it's quite heavy, especially if you're lifting it up or trying to move them around. And so I really use those just for larger objects. So for example, a tripod, it might not quite fit in here, so longer objects can go in there. And so that's mainly what I use them for. And so I'd say 95% of stuff will fit in here, but every once in a while you need that extra room, and so you can have a stack of these where you keep your larger stuff, and they work really well for that. So video equipment, audio equipment, you know, this kind of thing right here, when you fold it up, it might not quite fit, and so it's a convenient way to store that kind of stuff. And it's actually in some ways useful, like if you're going to throw these in the back of your car or your truck, having them being stackable and easy to label, easy to carry. Instead of buying a bunch of bags or worrying about, oh, is this bag big enough or is this thing big enough? You just have some of these boxes folded up, and then when you need to move stuff or you have a project, you can just throw it in there, store stuff as well. So I've measured all of these things. If you look at there's a spreadsheet linked to down below in the description where I've compared and contrasted, put buy links for all this Banker's Box, Staples Basics, and just put all this information in one spreadsheet. So if you're doing comparison shopping, you've probably found that nobody's really put something together like that out there on the internet. And so I decided to do that, and these videos are part of that project. So I also have courses on organization, and that's the main reason I use these, both for organizing paper files and manila folders, but also household objects. So whether you have multiple homes, or you have an office, or you're putting things into storage or storing things in the attic or the basement, these are really helpful. But having a system to keep this stuff organized at a larger level, so all of your life, your personal, professional, family, how do you fit all that stuff into one system? And once you have dozens or even hundreds of these things, how do you keep all that organized within one overarching system? That's what my courses on organization are about. And they're very unique because they cover both everything in your digital life, the cloud, your hard drives, your phone, but also the physical side, which is unique. And it's basically like a Dewey Decimal or Library of Congress classification type system, but for your personal, professional life. So there's some entry level stuff, and then there's also some premium courses if you want to take stuff to the next level. You can email me at support@timothykenny.com, and we can get you whatever the latest stuff is when you watch this video. Definitely leave a comment down below if you want me to review other items, or if you have any comments or questions. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to get more content like this, and I'll see you in the next video.